Look, right, y'all. A great friend of mine, she a teacher. She put me on. A lot of these kids be hungry as shit, right? So they be coming in mad as shit. So what she came up with was a poppy store. I tell you, I mean, she gave me the idea. I started doing it, but all the kids do their work now. Look, I'll be selling, bag of chips, 15, Gatorade, $20, But look, it ain't real money, though. I got a whole, you do your work, you get some cheese. Look, got their little bank accounts, Got their little bank accounts, that shit works. So if you work with bad kids and them niggas they coming in the fucking school mad all the time, arguing and shit, them niggas is hungry. They don't eat at the crib. So what you do is, you bring some snacks in. If you want to do that, you gotta behave. You gotta behave and you gotta make sure you on your job, nigga. Look, gave them niggas jobs, classroom jobs, You get paid $20 a week, get your snacks.